anywhere.
I can see.
Let's do up your shoe.
Take a picture of that.
Where'd the ducks go?
What?
Well, I was just looking to see where the ducks might be. Okay. Oops, I think the bread's almost all gone. Okay. I am. Okay. That was it. Okay. Well, we should get back to the car, I guess. We'll go replenish. Well, we'll go get more bread.